I made over £100,000 in 12 months of selling this one thing, and here's how anybody can do it. And to prove I even know what I'm talking about, here is a plaque that I received for hitting £100,000 in sales. You might just be able to see it. But yeah, that is just to prove I know what I'm talking about. So firstly, what you need is you need a plan. That is what you need at the start of anything, isn't it? You need a plan. So what is it that you're going to sell? What is it that you're going to help people with? Ultimately, you need a plan. You need to find something that actually is going to make a lot of money, or just an extra bit of income, whatever this purpose of this video is for you. You need to find something that actually works. And I don't mean just go and follow someone who does drop shipping or e-commerce or TikTok shop. Like, actually find something that works. But ultimately, I've tried loads of stuff, and this is the only thing that's worked for me. And it's something that you can use for the rest of your life to make a lot of money with if you do this correctly. That's what I'm going to share in this video, how you can do it. Find something that works. Secondly, you need to actually create a good digital product. So this video is going to be about creating digital products, because ultimately that is what's helped me make over £150,000 doing this, £100,000 in 12 months. And yeah, ultimately, if you have a good digital product, you can make a lot of money. So what I mean by that is, you need something that's going to actually help somebody go from A to B. So when I talk about a plan, you need to have something that actually works, selling digital products. You need to have a good digital product, and you actually need to help people. Again, you can't do this without even sharing your face. You've got to think of brands around the world. When was the last time you went into like Starbucks or your local shop and you saw the owner or the founder of the actual shop? Like, if you want to do it faceless, you can, because these brands are around everywhere. You don't see the owner every single day, do you? You go and buy the product because you wanted that product from that specific shop, or because how it makes you feel after, or do you see what I mean? So with a plan, find something good that works, create a good digital product. But again, I'll get into more of this. And you actually need to help people go from A to B, because ultimately people buy things because of how they're going to feel after it, or what they're going to learn, or ultimately how it's going to make them feel. So you're buying a beginner's guide to create the best smoothies at home. You want to actually buy that to learn how to create smoothies, don't you? That is why you're buying it. So that's an example of a digital product, say like an ebook, how to create smoothies. So that's actually going to help somebody because they didn't know before they bought your ebook, or they didn't know what to do or the best steps. But because you've put that into an ebook, now this person will buy it for £10. You'll pocket £10, and they're just going to be able to use that and actually go ahead and create smoothies. So that is first step, actually planning something. You've got digital products, you just now need to think of something that's going to help people. And again, I'll go more into that in this video. So again, when I say you've got your plan now, you need to now create something. That is the second step. So when you create something, and if you don't know what a digital product is, or even you don't even know how to create one, I've linked the Digital Wealth Simplified down below, or the free 1 hour course. You can go and check that out. But ultimately, to create a digital product, I'll just use Canva. It takes like, again, this isn't like affiliated or anything, but it takes like 10-20 minutes to create a product. If it's like an ebook, something like that, it doesn't take long at all. So create something on Canva. But again, you're not selling digital products, you're selling something that's going to help somebody go from A to B, whether that's giving someone loads of knowledge, giving someone loads of value, or you're physically helping them do something with your guide, or they can go and do it themselves. You need to actually have a good product that's going to do that. So yeah, when I say create something, Canva, you can create an ebook on there. It needs to be something that actually helps people go from A to B. A smoothie, beginner's guide, how to lose weight, something like that. That's just an example of what a product could be. Next, you actually need to market. So step 3, you need to actually market, don't you? For example, places like Etsy, they do, and forgive me if I'm wrong, but they do all the marketing themselves. So again, people search up, I don't know, birthday cards, and then the birthday cards come up, don't they? Whereas if you've got a digital product, and the way I've done it, and this is how I've made over 100 grand, if you've got a product, say for example, a travel guide, you're going to then have to actually market on social media. And this is without even paying any money on ads, by the way. This is all organic, haven't spent any money on ads, so you can do this without even paying money. So you can create like a travel guide, say. You then need to market that. So what I was doing, and this is one of the techniques that I share inside the DWS, I'll link it down below again, but you can essentially create a video like top 5 things to do in Thailand, but then purposely miss out the 5th thing to do and say, click the link in my bio, go and get the travel guide to learn all the different things you can do in Thailand whilst you're here. That's just an example how you can market it. Obviously, you want to know how to get content, you want to know how to get the videos to post as TikToks or Reels or even YouTube. So there's loads of different ways that you can market. So how can you actually sell a product? Ultimately, if you are creating content but you're sharing your face, you can pick up the camera and just say, for example, if you were selling a fitness guide, you can go, here's 5 things that are going to help you. I'll do it with my phone so it looks a bit like more real. Here's 5 things that you can do to lose weight this summer to get shredded and then you could talk about your ab workout plan that you've created as an ebook, sell it for £10, tell people to click the link in your bio, bang. That's a simple way of marketing. Obviously, there's a bit more to it, strategy. How many times do I need to be posting? People always say, like, how many hashtags should I be using to go viral? That doesn't matter in my eyes. I don't even post hashtags anymore across TikTok and Instagram. If you've been following me on there, I've literally got about 60,000 followers across both as of recording this, but I don't even use hashtags. So yeah, you don't need to worry about stuff like that, how many hashtags or what time to post. Honestly, if your content's good, then it will go viral. That's the simplest way of putting it. But yeah, how can, like, you want to know how to actually sell a product or sell something online. So ultimately, that's just tapping into who you're actually selling to. So if you're creating a product, you actually need to know what it is people are worrying, what are people struggling with, and put that into a product. So if someone's struggling with losing weight, put that into a product and then create content on that. Because if you've got a guide on losing weight, but then you're talking about how to get shredded arms and legs or whatever for summer, people aren't struggling with that. They want to just lose weight. So for example, you need to know, and a couple of ways that I've sort of had a look and actually done this myself, is just looking at what people are posting and then looking in the comment section. So like, what are the best places to go to eat in Thailand? And then create like a food guide or an itinerary for Thailand. And then you could just create content on that because people are already asking it on Thailand.com videos or whatever. Like, you see what I mean? So that's how you can actually create a product and know what people are looking for, because people are already asking that in the comments. So that's a good way that you can look at it. And you actually, when it comes down to marketing, you actually need to know what platforms that you want to post on. So if I was to start again and if I was to create any digital product and try and sell it, I would be on TikTok every single day. Like, Instagram and YouTube are good again, but TikTok has blown up massively. I get multiple viral videos every single day, every single week. No matter what niche it is, this works for any niche. TikTok is insane. So you can post something on there tomorrow, you could get 1 million views. Whereas Instagram is a lot harder because of, I suppose, the algorithm and growing accounts from the get-go. But TikTok, your video can go viral, and you've probably seen it, like accounts that have just got a viral video for no reason whatsoever. That is just the power of TikTok. So if you're trying to get your product across to somebody or creating content, that is the best place to be. So in terms of what platforms, I stick to one and just nail one platform before going on to others. So ultimately, I would focus on TikTok first. That's just my honest review and my honest opinion. And everyone that I help inside the DWS, I always say go to TikTok first because of how good it is and how viral you can go, like within minutes. So attracting leads, like, this is one of the main important steps. You've got your content, you've got your product, you're now helping people. And again, this is like the best step-by-step process that I can talk, with this being a free video and as much info I can give out there for free, like within the time. And attracting leads is the biggest thing that you can do when you're trying to sell a digital product. You're trying to build something massive online, because again, if you, and this is a big thing, if you don't know what an email list is, you can grow something called an email list. So if you've got something really good for free that you can give away, it could be like the travel guide for free or fitness guide for free. If you're getting people in and they're loving your freebie, you've then ultimately, in exchange for their email address, and you've given them that, you've now got an email list depending on who you use. I use Standstore. I'll drop a 14-day free trial with them down below. But I use Standstore because you can nurture leads through that and then send emails with them, which we'll get onto in a minute. But ultimately, if you're getting an email address and then you can essentially promote to people via emails for the rest of your life, permitting that they don't unsubscribe and stuff, that is so powerful, rather than just making a quick sale and never hearing them from that person again. If you've got someone signed up to your email list, you can obviously promote, you can send out campaigns to them whenever you're launching something new. It could even be for like a new business. So yeah, attracting leads is what you want. So again, if you're offering something for really good for free in exchange for their email address, so click my store and get my free guide on losing weight or whatever. If people are then downloading that, and then they have to put their email address in, you've then got their email address. You can then send email marketing campaigns to them. Okay, that's better. Then you can send email campaigns to them, etc. But ultimately, once you've then got that free lead and you've got that email address, you've now got a big email list, and this is where most of the money comes in. This is what I would say anyway. And this is what's helped me make over £100,000 in 12 months doing it. So You've attracted the leads, you've got them to download something for free. Again, this is like the quickest and simplest way possible for you guys. You now need to nurture the leads. So what I mean by that is turn them from someone who got a freebie from you or wanted to learn more info about what it is that you do, but they haven't bought your paid product yet. So now that you've got these leads and you've got these email addresses, you can do something called email marketing. And again, this might be you if you're a complete beginner. If you're a bit more advanced, you know about email marketing. But for example, it's not just going to be a case of like, I've got the best product for you if you want to lose weight. You want to actually nurture leads over time. So send the first email after they got your free guide. You could say like, hey, how did you find my free guide on this and that? And then 5 days later, maybe just say something like, hey, I'm just following up. How good was the free guide? How are you getting on with your journey? Just creating that sort of friendship and that trust sort of level with somebody. You're going to then nurture them, which is then going to allow them to want to purchase from you, which is what you want ultimately to make money online. So you've got the emails, you can send email campaigns. That is what I would do. So give something away for really good for free. That is going to be something that's going to be missing a step to get, and the missing step is your paid product. So if you've got something like your paid product is how to lose weight, maybe your freebie could be something like food alternatives to lose weight. But they've got that, but now they need like a workout plan. They need the actual step-by-step, and that is where your paid product comes in. But at least if you're giving something good away for free, you've then got that email address, you've then got email campaigns that you can write. You can then essentially get people in to your freebie and then promote. If you've got something really good for free, then that will turn into a paid customer down the line if you've got good email marketing sequences. But yeah, you can comment down below if you want some help with that, and I can drop you a message if you need to. But yeah, that is nurturing leads. So what we've got a plan is find something that works, selling digital products. You've then got to create something that is going to actually help somebody go from A to B, no matter what niche it is. You don't even need to be experienced in fitness, but you can still create something. And I've taught people how to do this with literally no experience whatsoever. Like, it's crazy. And you've then got that you've created that really good product. You've then marketed it. So how can I actually sell this to people online? How can I help people with my free content? And then essentially getting people to your free content all the way to your freebie. They've then downloaded and become an email on your email list, and you've then marketed via email marketing. Again, this is a really simple way of how I've made over £100,000 in 12 months. Like, there's content strategies behind things, there's video editing, there's loads of different products that you could create, not just one. Like, you could create loads of products on this. But ultimately, that is how I've helped over 800 people already inside the Digital Wealth Simplified, just from doing exactly this. Selling digital products, you can take your ideas and make it to a digital product and make literally thousands, not like even a day you could make 1,000 from this. But yeah, if you watch my previous video, I made £2,000 in one day, which is just incredible. So yeah, that is how I help people, and I really hope this video has helped. And that is how I've made over £100,000 from selling digital products, the process, creating content, offering something really good for free, nurturing those leads, email marketing, bang. That is the simplest way of putting it. And you can do that for literally any business, whatever businesses is, or if you want to start a side hustle, you haven't got any experience, this is for you. So yeah, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.